Hi, I'm Brian from HGR. Today we're in aisle 1. We're going to look at some of the variety that we have here. So aisle 1 is a miscellaneous small items aisle. A lot of the customers enjoy this when they come in. That's why it's so close to the door. You have everything from lockers to caulking guns to gloves, just a little bit of everything. We'll walk down the aisle and we'll try to plunder through some of it and see what we got. So one of the things that we get in occasionally are like confidentiality storage containers for private paperwork. If you want to shred it or just throw it away, we have the secure bins for them. We get these in occasionally. You know, they sell for reasonable prices, hence the reason there's sold tags on all of them. So some of the other stuff that we offer in aisle 1 will be whiteboards, dry erase boards. We have them in abundance. We get them quite often in here, along with some shelving. We have a variety of shelving here, and over in off of Main 1 by new arrivals, you'll see some more over there. But as you can see, we have quite a variety of different shelving and storage for hazardous materials and just small items. So this is one of my favorite parts of aisle 1. This is where all of the miscellaneous stuff is. You can find everything from clocks to paper towel dispensers, mop buckets, tags, coffee makers, toolboxes, toaster ovens, drawers, a little bit of everything. Anything that you can think of, we get over here. Rubber gloves, a little bit of everything. So every day is a surprise here. You can find stuff as simple as rubber boots in here, hose, hard hats, straps. We have heat guns, steel toe boots, staplers, hole punchers, anything and everything that you can think of. Air filters. More rubber boots. Head attachments for helmets. We have a little bit of everything in aisle 1.